I recommend using your rear stand when installing these. It'll make it a lot easier on you so that the bike is level. First, you want to take off your fairings. It's a lot easier to work on your bike when your fairings are off. It might look like you can attach them without taking them off, but just take them off. It's a lot easier to get your grip. You're gonna run into a lot of these rivets. All you need to do is push them in the middle, right there, and the prong side, let me see if I can get a good shot. They'll come loose and you'll be able to pry them out. There are these kind of rivets in your fairings that you can just get a flat little screwdriver, and there's space, try to focus here, where you can just pry them out. See the space? You'll be able to pry them out. Don't forget when you're taking your fairings off that there's one last one that is in the middle holding both of them together. So first, what you're gonna do, this is the left side, so we're gonna take off the engine bolt. Make sure you have the correct bracket that's going to go on the left side. Show the other side so that we can see. This side does not look like the other side, so get the one that looks like this. It's going to go on your left side. And it literally goes flush with your frame. Just like so. So the holes match up. That's where your engine bolt was. Now you're gonna put the longer frame slider on the left side of the bike. Put the washer on the bolt that it came with, and then place it inside and install that in the only hole that's available. What size Allen key are we using?
8.
An 8mm. Left side is installed. It's time to install the right side frame slider. Here is your engine bolt that needs to now come out. The left side is the OEM engine bolt. The right side is the new bolt that came with the frame sliders. So we're gonna be using the right one. This is what the right frame slider bracket looks like. It looks different than the other bracket. So you're gonna put it flush with the frame so that where the engine bolt was lines up. Now we're gonna put the bolt in.